Can you believe that the fearsome dinosaurs once ruled every corner of our planet? Among them, the mighty T-Rex stood as the ultimate predator of its age. But what if I told you these ancient beasts never truly disappeared? Because the birds you see every day are their direct descendants. But the real mystery is, from which dinosaur did modern birds evolve? 66 million years ago, Earth was a kingdom of giants. Towering sauropods grazed peacefully, shaping entire landscapes. Meanwhile, swift and intelligent predators stalked their prey. Every corner of this ancient world echoed with survival and power. Above them, the skies were alive with winged creatures. And today, their fossilized remains tell us stories long forgotten. Among these clues lies the greatest mystery of all, the link to modern birds. 66 million years ago, catastrophe struck from the skies. A colossal impact ended the reign of most dinosaurs in an instant. The skies turned black, forests burned, and the world plunged into chaos. Mighty giants that once dominated the land vanished forever. Yet, not every lineage met its end. Some were small, adaptable, and feathered. Fossils reveal astonishing evidence of feathers in theropod dinosaurs. The Archaeopteryx, half dinosaur and half bird, marked a turning point. Even fierce hunters like Velociraptors carried the hidden secret of feathers. Their claws, their bones, even their lungs, so much resembles today's birds. When giants fell, the small and light had a chance to endure. From ancient eggs to modern nests, a fragile link remained unbroken. Scientists began piecing together the puzzle through ancient fossils. Feathers, once thought unique to birds, were discovered on dinosaurs. These creatures were not just scaly reptiles. They were warm-blooded survivors. Bone by bone, the similarities between dinosaurs and birds became undeniable. Scales transformed into feathers, reshaping the very image of dinosaurs. Claws, once used for hunting, now echo in the talons of hawks and eagles. Even their skulls reveal striking resemblances to modern birds. The gift of flight, born from dinosaurs that first stretched feathered wings. Their advanced lungs powered them, just like today's birds in the skies. The Archaeopteryx proved the missing link between dinosaur and bird. Today, we see these connections brought to life in museums worldwide. Velociraptors, small, feathered hunters, were among the ancestors of modern birds. Every bird of prey reminds us of the predators they descended from. The evidence is undeniable. The line between dinosaur and bird is thin. From predators of the past to the songbirds outside your window today, But then, a cosmic disaster struck 66 million years ago. The meteor impact ended the reign of giants almost overnight. Yet, among the chaos, small feathered dinosaurs found ways to endure. Their size and adaptability became their greatest weapons. Eggs and nests revere a shared heritage between dinosaurs and birds. From hunters of the Mesozoic to sparrows in our modern world. Flight gave them the power to escape where others perished. DNA evidence confirms the bloodline. They are living dinosaurs. The shocking truth: even the chicken carries the legacy of dinosaurs. Look closely, and you will still see the shadow of the T-Rex in the sky. Their story is not one of extinction, but of transformation. Today, the descendants of dinosaurs fill our skies with life and song. From sparrows to eagles, every bird carries the mark of ancient giants. Even the tiniest hummingbird is a living relic of the dinosaur age. Genetic studies confirm it. Birds are not just related to dinosaurs. They are dinosaurs. Yes, even the pigeons in our cities are the heirs of prehistoric rulers. Surprisingly, the humble chicken is one of their closest modern relatives. Through migration and survival, their legacy continues across the globe. Museums now display dinosaurs and birds side by side as one family. Extinction did not erase them. It transformed them into new forms of life. Every feather, every song is a whisper from an ancient past. So the next time you see a bird, remember, you are looking at a living dinosaur.